just along here with what the fuck's your name?
Jazer.
Yeah, Jazer. Bringing you here at Icebound Arena. The Sabres meet the Nortel Maple Leafs. We're about to get underway here.
How are you?
Good, how about you?
Not bad.
Recovered from the vasectomy, all right, so I'm doing okay. Start! Start! There! I got it, Pete, I got it! Go, Stevie, come on! Oh, my goodness. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, guys! Go, 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 go! Come on, Dougie, you got time, you got time. Give it to Nordic, there you go. Way to go, guys, good going. Oh my gosh. Good save. Watch out! Jeez, that was ugly. Come on, get back, get back, get back! Is that what I was smelling over there on the bench? You got me doing the same thing. Watch out, watch out! Yeah! Woo! Way to go, Dwayne, way to shoot that thing. Damn. Let's go, Phil! There you go, there you go! Yeah, yeah! Damn it. Oh my God. Next time 38 tries to pick like that, man, I'm gonna lay him out. Want more? Want more? Come on. Come on, fucking idiot.
When their D's down in the zone on the transition game coming out, don't look at the D. Pick up a man in the neutral zone. Pick up your winger, your opposing winger, in the neutral zone and skate with them and eliminate that pass so that the guy who's in forechecking on their D has a chance for a turnover.
We got like ESPN going here. There, look at them over there. We're going to be on ESPN tonight. We'll be on ESPN. Look up there, look up there. Yeah. They're not going to miss a trick, man.
It'll be ugly, man.
Where's Daryl? How can you be late for us? Daryl! Good to see you, man. No. Yeah! Oh, not you again.
I'm not fat, I'm big bone. You farted. Somebody's making brownies. You guys see me block that defense today? I was kicking ass. You guys are toast. Yeah, we're gonna pound your head in. We'll just see about that. Listen, I have a nice body and I want to show it off. You got that? I'm fill out nicely. You're not filling out nicely. You're fatter than ever. I'm not fat. I'm getting in shape. I'm gonna be